Hey, are you expecting a stimulus check? Well, don't blow it all off because in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a stimulus check to start an online business. So stay tuned. Okay, so once you get your stimulus check, the first thing you want to do is get it into a checkings account so you can get ready to use and get it ready to start your business. So if you don't know where to start or where to begin as far as starting an online business, I highly recommend you get training. So that's the first thing you want to get training. So if you stay all the way to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can start an online business, a profitable one, starting today, and basically get the right training from the right people. So stay all the way to the end and I'll show you how you can do that today. All right. So again, if you don't know where to begin, the first thing is to get training. Before anything though, if you're into making money online, building a business online, or entrepreneurship, or anything that has to do with creating success on the internet, if any of those tips interest you, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that bell notification. Also like this video, that way every time I post something, you'll get notified. Okay, so what you can see here is a site called GoDaddy, and basically that's where you want to go to get a domain. So that's the first thing you want to do is get a domain, get a .com, and GoDaddy, I highly recommend it because that's what I personally use. So just go to GoDaddy.com, grab a domain name. This one you can get one for $11.99 the first year. Then what you want to grab is an email marketing software or autoresponder, because that way you'll be able to follow up with your customers, follow up with your visitors or your leads automatically. This one right here, you can start out for $19, a month, and of course the first month is free. So again, this will allow you to pretty much follow up with all your customers, pretty much on autopilot or automatically, so that way you have a lot of freedom in your business. Okay, so you can head over to aweber.com and pretty much sign up for it. Again, the first month is free, and yeah, you're gonna need this in your business. Then what you're gonna need is a funnel builder. That way, when people are interested in your products or they want to buy something, you have somewhere to send them. All right, so a funnel builder is really important in your online business because it's gonna help you pretty much convert interested people, leads into sales. All right, I highly recommend this one here. It's called ClickFunnels. So for any people starting out, this is actually the best and the easiest one to use. They help you generate leads. They're going to help you sell your products, and you can start a 14-day free trial. And yeah, just get started with ClickFunnels. Go to clickfunnels.com. And again, this is going to be very essential to your business. And in order for you to track where your visitors and sales are coming from, so you want to track your your sales or where visitors are coming from, what sites are getting you results. I highly recommend you get a link tracker. This one right here I recommend is called Bitly. It's pretty much one of the ones that I highly recommend because it's free to get started and it's really super simple to use. All right, so go to bitly.com, sign up for an account, and again, it's free to use, and this way you'll track where your clicks are coming from, or how many clicks you're getting. So it's really, really important you get this, because that way you can track what's getting you the most results. That way you're not scattered everywhere, and you know what sites to focus mostly on promoting your business. All right, and that's how you can use your stimulus check to start an online business. So if you don't know where to even begin and you want to know how to start a profitable online business, make sure you hit that link, that first link in the description, and access that training. What you're going to get access to is a 15-day business builder challenge. So basically what's going to happen is that in 15 days you're going to get a business already done for you, already set up for you, ready to get you profits. So this is actually the easiest and simplest way to get started today. And each day you're gonna get you're gonna get trained right. You're gonna get trained by the right people. So I highly recommend this training here. It is my #1 recommendation for starting a profitable online business. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and head over to that link I left you in the description. And again, you're gonna get access to 15 days of training, and after those 15 days You're gonna have a business already set up. You're gonna have your business plan. You're gonna get one-on-one business plan advisor who's gonna guide you through the process. And again, you're just gonna have a lot of growth with this.